Hey Allison, this is Eddie with Multiman Services. Wanted to film a quick video, basically to introduce myself and kind of go over what I'm seeing and what we specialize in. So we asked for a quote for house washing, and you're right, this whole building needs to be washed down. And something that we should probably focus on before we wash the house is to get these gutters cleaned out. There's a lot of stuff growing out of them. The gutters are not functioning, and you can see evidence of the algae and the dirt and water splashing back onto the building. So getting the gutters cleaned out would help prevent that. And then it'll also help prevent this damage on the rust. You mentioned there was no water. I do see a spigot here. So maybe there's a way to turn it on the inside. I'm not certain, just thought I'd throw that out there. So I'm gonna get you some options to choose from to get your gutters cleaned out, flushed, and performing properly. And then we'll also get you a quote to get the siding washed up real nice, and that way you can have a presentable property. The front entryway I noticed was kind of spider webby and kind of scary, so we'll get all that cleaned up real good. So just doing a quick walk around, we can definitely accommodate you before the end of the season here this November. Like I said, my name is Eddie. We're home base out of Beloit, Wisconsin. This is what we specialize in, is exterior low pressure gentle detergent washing and gutter maintenance. So we look forward to working with you. Choose the options down below that best meet your needs, and we'll get this on the schedule. We can even fit you in next week if you like. Take care.